Another mixed day on Wall Street. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron in for Des. This is Thursday, September 20th, 2012. Well, today the markets were slightly mixed. Again, not down too much, not up too much. Let's take a look at the numbers. On the Dow, we were up 0.14%. It did close higher, and actually closed higher than last Thursday's high. We had the S&P down 0.17%. The Nasdaq down 0.21, and the Russell's down 0.54. So who led the way down today? Well, it was technicals and small caps. That's a bearish sign. And our bank was down significantly more than the S&P itself. So a couple of bearish signs there. And our VIX was up at 2.5%, up over 14 now. And the gold down a little bit, silver just marginally up, but then oil did pop another 1.1% today after its big gain yesterday. And look at this, the dollar up 0.46, which does confirm the move down by the other markets. As you can see, things are still settling out here at the time of this recording. Alrighty, well then let's take a look at the numbers. This is the S&P 500. Again, we had our run up last Thursday, and we just been sinking down ever since. And this is what we call a bull flag. Oh, by the way, let's take a look at the MACD. I wonder if we have actually had a top here, or if it's just going to come down and continue back up again. Well, only time will tell. Let's take a look at the Dow. The Dow, by the way, is only closed down 3 days this entire month. So this is again an up day, and it did break the high. Now instead of a bull flag, we do have a high base. If you want to know more about what a high base or these other formulations I'm talking about, you can always go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and we have a free chart school. Down below are the stock patterns that I'm referring to. And if we went to high base, here would be a description of it, and here would be a picture of it where you have a run up to a line of resistance. Probabilities are that it will pop out, so it is a bullish formation. And here we have our run up to a line of resistance, was at 13,600. Chances are we could pop out from there. Time will tell. Let's take a look next at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is high based. It pulled down a little, all the way down here to the 8 EMA, and tagged this lower trend line that we had on the rising wedge, and then pulled back up. It's still in the high base area. And then the small caps. Here the bull flag got broken, and it broke down to here and actually broke below this line of support that we had, and closed right at the 8 EMA, exponential moving average, and did tag the 11 EMA today. So a little bit of crack in the bullishness here on the small caps. Banks were down a little bit today. And as we said, gold is also high basing here, as you can see, at 172 on the GLD. Just a strong resistance line, doesn't seem to want to get beyond. Just remember that tomorrow is option expiration day, so the market tends to realign some of its cash on that day, usually increased volume and a little bit of increased volatility. So this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. As Yogi Bear used to say, well, of course I'll adapt it to trading, is that 80% of trading is in your head. The other half is tactical. Have a good day.